How to stop auto like option on Facebook. So if you want to stop auto like option on Facebook, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook application and make sure that you've logged in. Now once you've logged in, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines, and tap on your profile. Once you're under your profile, now to stop the auto like option, you need to go with the three dots which is on the right side and make sure that you've turned off your professional mode. Go and tap on continue and then tap on turn off. Now once you turn off your professional mode, you can go back to your profile, reload that page, and you will have this kind of interface, right? So once you have this kind of interface, you need to go with the three dots again, which is on the right side, and then you will have an option of lock profile. Tap on lock profile and then tap on lock your profile, which is on the bottom, and that's it. And once you've locked your profile, your auto like option will be stopped. Now the other person will be able to like your post or your profile. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.